In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add conversion rate in Looker Studio reports. By the end, you'll have a reusable metric that you can drop into any chart or table in your report. Start by opening your report and looking to the right side of the screen for the data pane. This is where your connected data sources and fields live. Find the data source that contains both the conversions you care about and the total audience you want to compare against. Click to expand that source so you can see the fields inside. This step makes sure we're building the calculation in the right place, so the field will be available anywhere you use this data source in the report. Next, click Add a field, then choose Add a calculated field. This opens the calculated field editor. Give your field a clear, friendly name so it's easy to find later. Conversion rate works perfectly and helps teammates immediately understand what it represents when they see it in the field list or in a chart. Now, in the formula area, enter the actual calculation for conversion rate. Conceptually, conversion rate is total conversions divided by total audience. In many data sets, that might look like something similar to conversions divided by audience, or purchases divided by users, or leads divided by sessions. Your exact field names will vary, and that's expected, so use the correct names from your data source. If your fields are row level, wrapping them with aggregations like CUEM can help ensure the math aligns at the chart level. For example, CUEM conversions divided by CUEM audience calculates the rate based on totals, not row by row. When you're satisfied, click Apply. Once applied, your new conversion rate field appears alongside the rest of your metrics in this data source. You can now drag it into scorecards, tables, and visualizations just like any other field. If you add it to a table, you'll see it calculated for each breakdown you include. If you place it in a scorecard, you'll get the overall rate for the current filters and date range. If the number looks unexpectedly high or low, double-check that you pick the correct fields for conversions and audience, and that you're measuring the audience you actually intend. That's it. You've created a reusable conversion rate in Looker Studio that you can use across your report for clearer, more consistent performance analysis.